Hi guys, I'm just doing a video today on the lid of my backpack. Been asked questions about it because I've connected to the customer's taps via hose, and people are asking what valve do I use in the lid. So this is a lid that comes with the backpack, the Gardiner backpack. It's just got a breather thing there in the middle. So what I've done is I've drilled a hole where that breather thing is, and I bought a valve, so I just put that there, and this is what it looks like. So that's fully erected, is all put together. That's the valve. Don't know if you can see that in this light, I'm just in the garage at the moment. So yeah, that's the valve. It just screws into the backpack, and then I've got the metal, whatever that's called, I can't remember what it's called, connector for the hose lock connector. I use a metal one, so then when it's stopped the water, it doesn't build up pressure and push off. So I use that metal one because I used to have problems with the plastic ones. So if I that just unscrews from there. So it's a different thread that comes with this valve. So usually what you get is with these, I've done it a bit tight, I might have to get my spanners. So that comes off, and that fits into there, but it goes over a thread that comes through. I'll just find a spanner for you. I shouldn't have used the word spanner because I meant something to grip it. Just put that there a second. So I'll just loosen this off because it's just a little bit where I can't do it by hand for some reason. I put it on by hand. I look a fool now, I can't undo it. It's been here for I don't know how long. Whenever I bought the backpack, I'm gonna have to get something different to grab it. So I've managed to loosen it a little bit. So you just unscrew this. Once you've put it together, you shouldn't ever have to unscrew it. I've dropped it on the floor. So that's the messy little hole I made, and then that's the little thread. That comes to about here when you receive it from new. I've had to cut it down so then it wasn't too prominent from the top of the lid. Then I just push the threaded side in. Just take it out again. So that's what it looks like. This bit comes with a screw thread. Then there's a little bit of pipe that comes to bend down. I don't use that bit because it catches on the inside of the backpack. So the threaded side, just push it up, and then I get that, whatever I've done, oh, it's on the floor. Then I get that piece and just screw it tight onto there, because if I don't, it's just baggy, it won't screw. These come with the hose connectors, so you just screw that on there just to hold it in place, and that's what it looks like. Then you just screw your hose connector onto that, just like a tap, and then that's it. Simple, it's really simple. And then obviously when the water's coming in here, it comes out of the side there and down the side inside of the backpack. Then the water fills up here, and then when it's full, it stops. It turns off the water flow, and then as I'm using my backpack, it'll drop to a certain level, and then it'll just top it up constantly. But I do put cleaning solution in there as well, like TFR or Fairy Liquid or something, just to pump it up. But yeah, I mean it's full of water at the minute, but it just screws on as normal. So hope that helps anybody that's wondering how I do it. but it's dead simple. It doesn't do any damage to the backpack itself. I bought a spare lid just in case it went wrong, but it didn't, so at least if I wanted to sell my backpack or anything for some reason, I can just put the original lid back on it. So hope it's helped you anyway. Thanks for watching.